Assembled Mickey 36.5 inches wide by 36.75 inches tall. Easy to apply, just peel and stick. Applies to any smooth surface. Removable and repositionable with no sticky residue. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Good product, take your time installing. This item worked very well for me, but I suggest taking your time installing, 1 hour or so. Cut out all the body parts, keeping about 1/2 border around the cutouts. Then lay out all the pieces on a table and tape them to each other in their proper position. Don't worry about the tail, I used painter's blue tape. Then you should be able to lift it and place it against the wall, keeping his feet level to the floor. When you get him positioned, then put marks on the torso and marks on the wall so you can line it up. Then take off the wall and take the body pieces apart. Starting with the torso, peel off the decal and place on the wall using the marks. Then work the rest of the body parts. Mine sticks no prob, and my walls have a light texture.